8 new summer Technic sets have been revealed, and some available for pre order right now. Volvo EC500 Hybrid Excavator comes with 2,359 pieces for $429.99. Drive into the immersive project with the detailed Volvo EC500 Hybrid Excavator with motorized functions. This Lego excavator model includes a motor and a gearbox with 4 functions, including a movable boom, arm, and interchangeable hammer and shovel tools. Attach the hammer or the shovel, then use the gearbox to move the excavator's boom and arm to create the action of a real construction machine. This set comes with a battery powered motor to power the excavator. Too Fast, Too Furious Nissan Skyline GTR R34 comes with 1,410 pieces for $139.99. Build the Technic Too Fast, Too Furious Nissan Skyline, then deploy the drift function to recreate classic movie scenes. This Lego Technic car is packed with realistic details, including a steering, front and rear suspension, opening doors, an adjustable wing, and 3 NOS bottles. The drift function raises the car so you can fun recreate immersive maneuvers from your favorite racing scenes. Channel your inner engineering as you assemble moving details of the model cars, such as the 6-cylinder engine. Ford Bronco SUV comes with 943 pieces for $64.99. Have fun assembling the suspension, V6 engine, live rear axle, and roof rack with 2 traction boards. Enjoy steering the SUV using the spare wheel on the rear of the car. Features and striking red color scheme with black detail and create a Lego car to display until it's time for the next adventure. Lamborghini Revuelto Super Sports Car comes with 1,135 pieces for $189.99. Set comes with Control Plus app where kids can operate the steering control, the lights, and see live data feedback as they perfect their driving skills. As you steer forwards and backwards, then check out the lights, which include a glow in the dark elements. This set comes with a rechargeable battery, uses a USB-C cable that is not included to power the Lego car. Ferrari FXXK comes with 897 pieces for $64.99. Ferrari, you can use the butterfly doors, open the hood, and open the engine cover. Build the V12 engine with a moving piston and test out the differential. With the iconic Ferrari red color scheme, this model building kit makes an eye-catching display piece. Volvo L1220 electric wheel loader comes with 973 pieces for $119.99. Raise, lower, and tilt the shovel using the knob on top of the Technic loader. The vehicle toy isn't motorized, so you or anyone else can use their imagination as you lift and lower the charging station and pretend to charge the loader. So, unfortunately, we don't get power on this one. Open the engine cover of the Volvo toy to inspect the 3 spinning gears. Aston Martin Valkyrie comes with 707 pieces for $64.99. Discover lots of moving elements like the V12 engine with the moving pistons, the differential, and the open of the cooling doors. The Aston Martin features fun details like the steering, which is controlled by turning the knob on the top of the car, the pistons that move as the driver's side wheel spins. Lunar Outpost Moon Rover space vehicle comes with 1,082 pieces for $99.99. This set has lots of features. The main module is a futuristic all terrain move rover with rocker suspension, 4 wheel steering, deployable solar panels, and rotating arm. Use the arm to lift the smaller mining rover and send it to mission to review the moon, recollision, lunar rock elements. Store the rocks in the sample container and deploy the MAP rover to gather more information about the Surface. So this is everything that is going to be releasing this summer for the Technic line. Let me know which one is your favorite in the comments. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and keep building your life just one simple brick at a time. Bye for now.